Hello friends, welcome to Agregatio. Today I will show you how to edit PDF documents without any software. So if you are new for this channel, please subscribe and also share this video for your friends. So first of all, you have to install this software, Adobe Reader. Okay, this one, Adobe Acrobat. You have to install this software first, and then you can open this. You can open any document file. Let me open this one, and then this one is a PDF document. No, you cannot edit. You cannot edit this software without changing it to Word. Okay, now without changing to Word, I'll show you how to edit this PDF document. Okay, so after you opened the PDF document, you can come here, this one, edit PDF, this icon, and click on it. All right, okay, so now this is editable. Okay, you can edit now. You can copy, you can paste, you can cut, you can edit, delete, you can do anything. Okay, with this. All right, for instance, let me delete this title, this one, then click on delete. Okay, I've deleted. So let me write here some text. So let me write some document here. Okay, so in this way you can add any text, you can delete, you can copy, you can paste, so you can do different things. Okay, so after that you can make it bold, bold, can increase the size, the font size, you can increase. Okay, you can increase, or we can decrease the font size. Okay, it depends on our needs. Okay, you can change the color. For instance, let me make it red, this one. Okay, so you can do anything here. Okay, so after you edit your PDF document, after you edit, after you edit in this way, you can edit. Okay, the whole document, you can edit the whole document. Okay, so you can add, you can delete. Okay, in this way, after you edited the document, finally you have to save this file. Okay, to save, first of all we have to come to file, click on that, and click on save. Okay, let me close. I've closed, then let me reopen. Yeah, this one's PDF, then the edited PDF. Okay, so in this way you can edit the PDF documents without any software. Okay, Today's video is all about this. I think uh, this video is important for you. So if you like this video, please like as well as share for your friends. Thank you for watching.